It's the Play-Doh Buzzsaw Vehicle Playset from Hasbro. Now kids can create, cut, and haul their own Play-Doh lumber with the Play-Doh Buzzsaw Vehicle Playset. Load Play-Doh modeling compound into the back of the vehicle and extrude out all sorts of fun materials. Then cut them up with the saw arm that swings around to the front or back of the truck, or remove the detachable saw arm and use as a hand tool. Then build out the story by molding out hammers and saws. And you can use the cans from your Play-Doh modeling compound as construction road cones. The Play-Doh Buzzsaw Vehicle Playset is for kids ages 3 and up and includes 2 different saw blades and 4 cans of Play-Doh modeling compound. It's the Play-Doh Buzzsaw Vehicle Playset from Hasbro.